There were so many skincare launches in May, so let's talk about them. Hi everyone, my name is Alex. We've made it through another month of the year and we're almost halfway through the year. Wow. There have been so many new skincare launches in May. I wanted to discuss some of the ones that have either caught my eye or I've tried them and I love them. A lot of these reviews are still in the works and I'm either feeling them right now or I am just about to try them. I've ordered them, they've just launched. There are so many new launches, so let's dive into them. I do make these videos at the end of every month, so make sure you are subscribed, and also I will be posting full reviews to these products as they come out. Starting off strong, Prequel had a wonderful lip SPF launch this month. Perfect timing for summer. Especially after trying a few more lip SPFs, this formula is really luxurious and elegant that I feel like will make it stand out from other lip SPFs on the market for a long time. Has a slight peppermint flavor to it that makes it a little bit more tolerable with taste. I feel like it kind of counteracts some of the SPF flavor that can come from some lip SPFs. I haven't been able to see a brand master a lip SPF formula on the American sunscreen market like Prequel, and that is why I would recommend this. They have a clear and a tinted shades. That's another plus. I feel like a lot of lip SPFs on the American market have just tinted options, which is not something that I like to go for, and that's why I like they offer a clear version of this lip SPF. I'm sure you've seen it everywhere. Tower 28 has launched a new tinted mineral sunscreen, and I was surprised by how much I enjoyed this product. It comes out warm, so I was like, hang on, this is a little scary. I don't know if I can get away with this. Once it blended into the skin, it was so luxurious, left a wonderful finish to the face. I am saying that this formula is mostly intended for paler to medium skin tones. I just saw a couple of reviews actually of creators with deeper skin using it, and it left a little bit of a gray cast to it, which sadly is common with mineral formulations. Make sure you follow creators who look like you to get an accurate depiction of that. Coming from my perspective, usually struggle with mineral tinted sunscreens being a little bit warm on my skin because I am more neutral, and anything with a slight warm tint to it, I am going to turn orange. That didn't happen with this product, so I was really impressed by it. It is a great soothing mineral option, and if I haven't posted my review, it should be coming soon. My favorite tinted mineral sunscreen coming from someone who is pale. I was seeing swatches of this product and I was like, that is going to be way too warm for me, but I was happily surprised with this formula. The Ordinary reformulated their sunscreen. If you saw the original, this is definitely an upgrade. However, it didn't work for my skin. I wanted to bring this up for people with really dry skin, especially in the winter. This may be more of a sunscreen that I turn to then. At the moment, it is way too greasy and way too shiny for me. I am not going to be repurchasing this product, but if you have really dry skin, this may be a great option for you. It leaves a little bit heavier of a finish that was greasy for me and definitely not for oily skin. But if you're really dry and want a little bit heavier of a sunscreen finish, you could also just go in with this product as a moisturizer. That's when I would recommend this product. Even if you don't reapply with it, it is relatively budget friendly. It is still a little bit expensive for the American chemical market, but it is a great option at least for a base application of sunscreen. But if you are oily, I definitely would not recommend the sunscreen. Remedy Skin had a huge month with skincare launches. They launched their Remedy for Cleansing, which is their first cleanser formula. I was really looking forward to seeing a cleanser from Remedy. I like it because it's a salicylic acid gel cleanser with a 0.5% concentration of salicylic acid, making it a little bit more of a gentle acne treatment. But I personally found I was able to use this product daily, twice a day. I like it because it is more moisturizing with ceramides, panthenol, great supporting and balancing ingredients to kind of counteract some of the dryness that can come with both salicylic acid and a gel cleanser. This product had a really nice gel texture that foamed up, but it wasn't stripping for the skin. I like it because you're able to control, maybe I need an exfoliation that night, and you can leave it on 5 to 10 minutes as a face mask, or you can just use this product as a cleanser, which is what I personally did most, and it was one of the most moisturizing gel cleansers I have tried, which is so impressive because it has salicylic acid in it. They also released a gel cream, which is extremely lightweight compared to their Remedy for moisturizing, but actually more weight to it compared to other gel creams creams on the market. This has some more rich and nourishing ingredients that I haven't seen in a lot of other gel creams. It has almost like a water cream texture, but that's perfect for me because I am combination and I love that style of moisturizer. Advertises itself as a gel cream, but definitely has a little bit more weight and hydration to it. Personally worked for my acne prone skin. I was wanting to see a gel moisturizer from Remedy, and I'm glad we finally have it. It is what I would expect because both with this and their cleanser, they have put so many great ingredients you've seen in other moisturizers separated on the market into one simple, easy, budget-friendly formula. And I love their ability to do that. Remedy is making skincare more easy to understand, and that's what I absolutely love about it. I know so many people who are just getting into skincare that I recommend Remedy for, and the beauty of it is it's easy to understand. It has go-to formulas, and you know that when you're looking to treat one skin concern, whether it be their treatment series or their basic series like their moisturizers and their cleansers, you're gonna get what you pay for, and you're going to get a wonderful formula attached to that. Glow Recipe released a new lip balm this month, and it's seeming to have pretty standard hydrating ingredients in it. I have tried this product and I love the fragrance of it. It comes in clear and tinted options. I'm excited to see if it separates itself from other lip balms on the market because it is such a saturated market. I love the finish. I love how nourishing it is so far. It seems to be pretty long lasting and kind of has an essency feel to it, making it more of a lightweight yet nourishing lip balm. I can also see this being a great lip topper or lip gloss as well, but it is pretty expensive for the amount that you get. I am still doing a review on this, but I wanted to bring it to your attention if you are interested. I haven't seen a lot of people talking about this lip balm. Anua released a new American chemical-based sunscreen this month. It's not too stand out except for the fact that it is a water-resistant formula. It claims to have zero cast, which I mean it is an American chemical-based sunscreen. It's gonna do that. What I love about it is it's really lightweight, not too moisturizing on the skin, perfect for reapplication if you're at the beach, you're sweating, no matter what you're doing, if you're outside and you need a water-resistant sunscreen, this is my new go-to recommendation. You also get a nice convenient cap with it that you're able to measure the appropriate amount that you're supposed to reapply with, which is just helpful and convenient for reapplication or just application in general. I love when brands take into consideration that sort of packaging, and Anua did great with this formula and with this packaging. It also didn't cause acne and was a really lightweight water-resistant formula, which I feel like is hard to come by. I know of a couple, but this one is my current go-to favorite. Skin 1004 has a brand new collection of Labs in Nature ampules, a retinol ampule, a niacinamide ampule, and a metroxyl ampule. What I'm liking about these formulas, which I haven't tried them yet, they literally just launched the day before I was filming this, they seem to blend some really interesting ingredients with the highlight ingredients that they're talking about. For instance, the niacinamide has tranexamic acid and some brightening ingredients along with oil balancing and pore reducing ingredients. The retinol ampule has retinol in it as well, which I love that combination. It is just seeming like a great blend of ingredients, and I'm a little bit disappointed. I had seen some people speculating they were releasing an azelaic acid. I was all for. Anytime a brand releases an azelaic acid, I am so excited. A little bit disappointed that I didn't see that launch from them. I really hope that they do that in the future. However, I am excited to try these because they also utilize their centella that is well known in the Skin 1004 collection. So I'm interested to see how these more complex ampules work from them. From an ingredient list standpoint, they look really impressive. Dieux has a new cleanser launch with their ethereal cleansing oil, and it looks to be very simple, which is right in line with their baptism gel cleanser. This product does have ethahexyl palmitate in it, which I'm a little bit nervous will cause acne, but that's been a hit or miss ingredient with me. Some cleanser formulas cause it, some cleanser formulas don't. They said they wanted to create a very simple, to the point cleansing oil that just does the job. And I like that they are returning to more simple aspects of cleansing because I feel like the cleansing step can easily become way too complicated. I've been a fan of everything Dieux has done so far. I'm really interested to see how a cleansing oil performs from them. They say the texture is what really is supposed to make it stand out from others because it is a buttery, rich texture that's supposed to remove makeup. Water-resistant sunscreen sunscreen, I mean, anything you're wearing throughout the day. I've tried one Merit product in the past, but I'm really excited for this new Uniform Skin Tint SPF 50 foundation sunscreen. Looks so luxurious from the reviews that I've seen online. And I have actually had Merit reach out to me and send me this product. I haven't even felt it for myself yet. It looks on paper to have a really nice formulation attached to it. Based off the reviews I've seen, it is like a dewy skin finish, and I'm really excited for that aspect of it. I love going in the summer with skin tint foundation hybrids, either to touch up throughout the day or just apply the base layer of sunscreen with a skin tint like that. And this looks to have a beautiful foundation finish to it. I'm looking over the shade range and it looks like it could be a little bit better. I don't know how these shades perform or how universal they are, but I mean, I feel like we can always use more deeper skin tinted foundations, especially when they have SPF in them. I feel like they could do a little bit better with that because there were so many pale shades, and I'm just like, come on, it's 2025, we need to step it up. I haven't found much about these new launches from the Inkey list, but on Sephora, I saw a new hydrating cream to milk cleanser from the Inkey list, which I wasn't sure if they had a cleanser like this in the past. They had a hyaluronic acid cleanser. This new cleanser from the Inkey list looks to be very moisturizing, utilizing rice bran oil and some more moisturizing and gentle cleansing agents in it. The price point is what catches my eye of this the most. You get so much of this for a great value, and that's why I'm really excited to try this when it does launch. The Inkey list also has a new Hydro Surge Dewy Face Mist. They utilize some very simple ingredients in here, but it looks to have a hydrating complex to it that is more intended for all skin types. You could reapply it more with drier skin is what it looks like, but with oily skin, it is important to hydrate your skin and kind of balance that oil production. Face mists are an easy way to do it and also just carry with you and rehydrate on the go. From Transparent Lab, which is a sub-branch of Niche Beauty Lab, they have released a new overnight lip treatment, which is supposed to restore the lips with ceramides, cholesterol, panthenol, so many great nourishing and balancing ingredients. I'm always on the look for a new overnight lip sleeping mask. I always want to see what brands do to make a product stand out. This has very simple ingredients in it, but still very hard hitting. It is $15, which is not a terrible price point for a lip treatment, and so I am looking into trying out this formula. I think this was launched in April, but still I wanted to talk about Haruharu's new black rice ceramide cream because I am such a fan of the black rice toner. I can't wait to try out this moisturizer. It's looking on paper to be a more rich and maybe night cream territory, but I am really excited because the black rice collection has worked amazing for me. The toner was really milky, and I'm hoping this cream will complement that product very well. It is more of a wintertime collection for me, but I love using these products at night because they're not terribly heavy on the skin, but they deliver a great level of nourishment. Finally, wrapping up this list, I don't know if this is a reformulation or just a brand new formulation. Anua has launched a Centella Red Spot Cream that looks very promising and sensitive skin friendly. I think I've seen a Centella cream from Anua in the past that was designed for this, but this may be a new reformulation or just a brand new formulation from them. Either way, as someone who struggles with acne and redness, I really got excited by a product like this because Centella creams are a great spot treatment or treatment all over your face if you struggle with it. It's a great way to soothe redness, a great way to balance the skin while also moisturizing it, because I feel like with my red skin, I struggle most with dryness and dehydration and irritation as well. A product like this is saying it's supposed to help combat that, so I really want to test that out and see if it does work for my skin. Let me know what your favorite launch from this list was, and if I missed any, please let me know. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.